Welcome back everyone, and this is my new recording containing the exercise of DHCP server installed in a DMZ zone, and the firewall is acting as a DHCP relay. So the DHCP server is a part of DMZ zone, and we have a LAN user which is the inside network part. Okay, and we are using the Fortinet firewall. So we want to receive the IP address from the DHCP server which is installed in the DMZ zone, and this DHCP server will allocate the IP address to the LAN users. So I just make a very pretty simple exercise. So this Ethernet 1/03 is connected to the LAN port of the firewall, and this Ethernet 1/05 is a part of LAN user which is connected to port 5, and I'm using the DHCP server which is part of VLAN 20, and the DHCP server is connected to Ethernet 1/07 interface. Okay, so this is my virtual server. Okay, I installed it on the VMware. I will define a scope in the server. Let me show you first the IP address. In my case, the IP address of the server should be 2020.200 and 2020.10 as per my PPT. Okay, so let's define our DHCP pool in the server. New scope, next, and I will just make 20 pool hyphen 20, any name, and I will define as 20.20.221 and 20.20.254. So I will exclude some of the IPs. 2212 20.20.225. I want to exclude only the 5 IP address. Next. The gateway is 20.20.20.10. I'll click on add, next, and finish. That's it. This is the only thing I have to apply here. Okay, I lost the connection. It's okay, no worries. So this is the pool that I have defined here. Okay, as you can see here, the total is 54 IP addresses, and I exclude only the 5 IP address. Now what I will do, I have to configure the DHCP relay in the firewall. So how to configure the DHCP relay? Under, as you can see, this is my DMZ port, okay, of the firewall, and the DMZ port is having the 2020.10 IP address using the same range. And let me apply the DHCP relay configuration on the LAN interface. So this is my LAN interface. I will apply the DHCP relay configuration. I will disable this. Just make it 0.0.0. It will accept. No, it will not accept. It's okay. So I will just remove this, and I will click on advance, and I will just click on relay, and I will define my server IP address, which is in my case 2020.200 as per my PPT exercise. This is my server IP address. Okay, so let's save the configuration. Okay, hold on. Yeah guys, so this is my LAN port. Under the LAN port, click on edit. As in my previous recording, I use the DHCP server, so I disable the DHCP server, which is disabled, and I use the relay. So in my case, the relay is the IP address of my DHCP pool server, which is part of DMZ zone as per my PPT. So what I will do, I will just click on the OK, and I will save the configuration. So let me show you again the configuration of the firewall. This is my DMZ port. There is nothing special, DMZ, and here is only the IP address that I have defined. Okay, and let me show you the LAN interface configuration, which is my internal network. So under the LAN, this is my LAN interface. As you can see, the server is disabled and I am using only the relay option. The server is in disabled state. So this is my relay. Okay, and let's see. Let me verify the cables. So let me connect to my remote PC. This is my remote PC. So in my previous example, now I should receive the IP address using the 2020 range from the DMZ DHCP server. So let's check by enabling the interface. Enable. Okay, and let's see that I have the IP address or not. Hold on. Yes, so I received the IP address 2020.226, and here is my DHCP server, which is the part of DMZ, and here is the gateway, which is defined on the firewall. So let me show you the firewall configuration once again. This is my LAN port. Okay, in under the LAN settings, I have defined the relay, the DHCP relay. To define the relay, you have to enable the service first, and then you have to define the IP address of your DHCP server. So in my case, the DHCP server is part of DMZ zone. So let me show you the DMZ configuration. Here is my DMZ port. Okay, as you can see, this is 2020.10 is my gateway. Okay, this is my DMZ port, and the firewall is connected. The server is connected behind this DMZ port. So this was a small exercise that my host, which is connected in my host, which is connected on LAN side, and the DHCP server is on the DMZ side, and also it is a part of VLAN 20, and the LAN user is part of VLAN 01. So this LAN user received the IP address from the DHCP server, which is part of DMZ zone. Okay guys, thank you very much. Thank you for watching.